Coalition organizes Trump 2.0 victory celebration at the Ronald Reagan Center in Carol Stream, Illinois. The event saw people gathered in large numbers and joyously celebrating Donald Trump's historic victory in the presidential elections. Republican Hindu Coalition organized Trump 2.0 victory celebration at the Ronald Reagan Center in Carol Stream, Illinois. Trump defeated his Democratic rival Vice President Kamala Harris and was elected the 47th President of the United States, becoming only the second Commander-in-Chief in over a century to win two non-consecutive presidential terms. The event saw people gathered in large numbers and joyously celebrating Donald Trump's historic victory in the presidential elections. In the post on the social media platform X, the founding chairman of RHC, Shalabh Kumar, shared a video of the celebration and wrote, "There is no question this landslide changes the course of the world for decades to come. Bharat and America sabse achhe dost." In his post, he noted that more than 85% of Hindus in America, making a number over 300,000 in key states of Pennsylvania, Michigan and Wisconsin, voted for Trump, thereby giving him a margin of victory of 240,000.
हमारे लिए आज का दिन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। आप सारी दुनिया देख रही थी, ये सोच रहे थे लोग, हमारे लोग और विश्व के लोग, कि इसके अभी दोबारा ट्रम्प वापस आ जाए सेकंड टर्म में। वही हुआ, तो इससे बड़ा कोई हमारे लिए अचीवमेंट नहीं है। उसी वजह से हम लोगों ने आज यहाँ पर मोर देन 1000 पीपल के लिए सेलिब्रेशन रखा है। उसमें अगर तुम सेलिब्रेशन करो, उसमें अगर कोई म्यूजिक ना हो, कोई पार्टी ना हो, तो उसका मतलब नहीं रहता। इसलिए इंडिया के बहुत बड़े फेमस सिंगर के साथ हमने आज ये बड़ी यहाँ पर पार्टी रखी हुई सेलिब्रेशन की।
We are so glad that Trump is back. He is going to be, he's so much needed. He's the only person who can save our world. He can restore the pride of America, and he can really bring the prosperity back to the citizens of America. I mean, yes, I was involved very much the day he came down the stairs of in New York, in Trump Tower. I was so proud about that. That we have someone who's an outsider who's going to fix the world. He did a lot of things in his first term, but unfortunately, the politics is such that he. By a very, very slim margin, and for whatever reasons he was pushed out in the last term. But I'm so glad he's back, and he's just not back. He's back with a bang. He is. I mean, he has the presidency, the executive office is there with him, and he has to support. He has both the houses are with him as well, and it's a great victory. I'm very sure with the cabinet he's forming, we are going to see a lot of good things that are going to happen. America is going to really be back. It will be prosperous. We are going to see the inflation go down, prices are going to go down, wars are going to stop, and people are going to have a lot more to do.
Modeled after the highly successful Republican Jewish Coalition, the Republican Hindu Coalition was founded in 2015 to be the unique bridge between the Hindu American community and Republican policymakers and leaders.